After we install the force, this plate shakes a lot. Adjust as follows. First, open this wrench. Loosen the fixing screw inside. After loosening, take it down. Remove the fixing screws. Then loosen both sides. Loosen the clamping screws on both sides. After loosening the two screws, remove the stem. Then we check. After the assembly is completed, is there any problem with the assembly sequence? Then we put the stem back. At this time, we should pay attention to this. First, fix the upper hanging screw. When tightening, do not tighten too much. Pre-lock first. During the tightening process, we observe the gap below. Then we tighten the wrench. Adjust the angle of the handlebar. Also pre-lock it first. Don't lock it too tight. At this time, let's check it. Release energy. If there is still shaking, we continue to tighten the middle screw. No shaking. At this time, we adjust the handlebars. Tighten the clamping screws on both sides. This is good. After tightening, let's check again. No shaking, the adjustment is complete.